So guys, what's up? It's Cloud Surfers, Mr. Vic, and we are back with a new video. Hey guys, I can't wait to show you. It has arrived. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go. Oh my god, guys, I can't wait to open this baby. Looking sleek. This is how it comes in the box. You can actually feel the ripples of the phone. It's like they're already making you get a little taste of how the phone feels like. Yeah, guys. But first, let's check out the price. You got it insured for 3 years. And let's see. All right, guys, look. The price is $1,729.99. 512 gigs for the 15 Pro Max. Here we go, man. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Yeah, so I guess you gotta rip it off over here. Hey. There we go. Oh guys, check it out. Oh my god. It is the natural color. This is the new colorway of Apple. And yeah, before I drop everything, let me just put it here. And man, this is feeling super slick. The edge and everything. Wow. Yeah, guys, so here we have it. Brand new. I am super happy. iPhone 15 Pro Max in the new colorway. The natural colorway, guys. This phone comes in full white, this new natural color, and it comes in a black color and also a new blue color. That's a cool colorway to check out. I just found this very mellow. It matches with any watch, I think. And yeah, you know, natural is, we keep it natural. You know what I'm saying, guys? Yeah! Without further ado, it comes with this cool new charger cable. Here's the USB-C port on both sides. And yeah, I think with some usual Apple stickers. Apple merch. Yeah, I didn't see any AirPods. That would be too sweet, right? But guys, guess what? Think I'm the only one who got a new phone? No, let's see how this phone works, because as you can see, there's a second box. But yeah, I'll let Katie tell you herself. So guys,
hello. So we got it two phones actually. Yeah, and now I will show you how it's working.
Oh my god,
now it's secret.
Screen is yeah. No code.
Yeah,
Privacy first. Oh
so,
yeah,
it's amazing. Check the camera.
Yeah.
First of all, yeah.
Wow.
Night vision.
Yeah.
Plus this, here we go, new function here.
Oh, there is the zoom in function with the five times zoom in, right? Let's check out the outside for a minute. So zoom in on the bridge, for example. Yeah, guys, you see how that zooms in? Wow. Yeah, that's a big, it zooms and it's so clear still, right?
Look, I see someone. Maybe it's picture.
Yeah, guys, so Katie flexing with the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. And
same color.
Yeah, same price. We got it at the Media Markt. 2 bags over there. And yeah, guys, so without further ado, we have done our research, and it has been said all over that this phone is from the 12 until the 15. I think the best battery duration and camera quality and whatnot, all these specs. I don't really know them yet. I'm gonna find them all out because I hear this has a cool switch button, a new one. So I want to try that out. And yeah, it has been a journey trying out Android, but I guess I went back to Apple, guys. So goodbye Android. It was nice having that experience in life. But you know, my man Steve Jobs, RIP. We're gonna go back to the Apple, all right? Hey guys, without further ado, me and Katie are gonna make a lot of new videos with these two super cool, amazing phones. If you are not a subscriber yet, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video. And thank you to all the new subscribers. We appreciate the support. And don't forget to keep your head up, because it's winter and I don't want to hear people talking about no winter dip, because as soon as you start talking about a winter dip, you're already in it. You know what I'm saying? So let's flip the script and say no winter dip, but winter up. You know what I'm saying? Let's up the vibe, guys. Challenge. And let's see how we're doing next week with the winter up vibe. Hey, Mr. Vic, Cloud Surfers, catch you until the new video, guys.